Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. In today's video, we will be diving into an incredible platform that offers over 300,000 free online courses across various subjects, complete with certificates upon completion. Whether you are looking to enhance your skills for personal or professional growth or boost your CV, this platform provides a vast library of resources that cater to all learning needs. So let's see how it works. So first of all, you need to sign up. I'm using my Google ID. Once you sign up, you can search the course you want to learn. So there are so many categories you can see: programming, computer software, engineering, and so many. So you can directly write down also your specific course you are looking for. For example, I wrote Google Classroom Basics for Beginners. So you can see here on the screen the required course is available: Google Classroom Basic for Beginners. It is in computer software, lesson number 2, for free certificate after complete the course. So you can just click here, start now, and you can start your course here. So once you complete the course, you will get certificate on that course. You can click to see recent courses available here. You can also create CV, and you can also join the community. The interface is very user friendly. This platform is tested and verified. So please try and share your experience in the comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.